Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Alipay app tips and tricks. And in this video, I'm going to show you on how to use Alipay Inbuilt translation to translate to whatever language of your choice inside Alipay app right here. Let me show you how. Very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your Alipay app. Then after you open up your Alipay app, it's going to load up like so. The very first thing you want to do here, if you have not enabled translate this page option in Alipay, first thing first, you can have to enable that and choose your primary language for that, which allow you to translate anything you see on your Alipay app into whatever language you choose right here. So for that, first thing first, go ahead and make sure you click on the profile icon right here. Having clicked on the profile icon, next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on the setting icon. Then go ahead and click on general. The next thing you want to do right here is to go ahead and click on translation tool. Now you are here. Next thing you want to do right here is to make sure translation tool floating, this is turned on, and choose your language right here. So in my own end, I'm going to leave it in English language. You can see the float right here. So if I turn off this is going to be disabled. So let's see. I'm going to go ahead now and turn off. You can see it has been disabled. But if you want to be using it, go ahead and click on here to turn it on. This will enable and then show you if there is any translation available on Alipay. So next thing you can see the example right here. So next thing you want to do is to choose your preferred language right here. So I've chosen my own language to be English language, just like so. So let's go back into the Alipay right here. So just like so, you can see from home page right here, everything here is now being fully translated to my default language settings, which is English language right here. Okay. Now, for you to explore different ways to translate in Alipay, what you need to do is to make sure you come to the top right here. Go ahead and simply click on here, and then what you need to do is to go ahead and type in translation into the search engine, and then hit on search. Then you have the complete inbuilt translation right here in Alipay. What you need to do is to go ahead and click on it. Just like so. So you have different experiments in these sections of Alipay translation right here. So you can either translate by speaking, you can either translate by typing, you can either translate by upload or snap a picture to automatically translate. Then you want to make sure you come to the top right here, choose your preferred language right here. This work like Google Translator as the case it is. So right here, if I want to translate from, click on here, I want to translate from English and then automatically translate to Chinese right here. So what we want to do here is to make sure we can switch to keyboard right here. So I can easily click on here and I type in hello, my friend, and hit on send. And this is going to give you an accurate translation based on whatever you type in right here. So you can see. And one great thing here is that you can easily listen to this translation result right here. So for that, click on here. This allows you to listen to the translation results.
你好，我的朋友。
Just like so. Now, let's say, for instance, you want to speak to translate. So we want to make sure we click on, we go back to the translation right here. Click on the translate again. And then we want to speak to translate. So what we want to do is to go ahead and hold to speak right here. So click on hold. And then you can start recording whatever you want to say. So you can say, hello, my friend, I really need this particular product right here. Can you please tell me the last price to this particular product? And I'm ready to make payment right now. So once you are done with your recording, release, and Alipay is going to load and give you the result of the speech that you just make in your Alipay right here, just like so. So allow it to load Boom, and you have the result right here. Hello, my friend, I'm ready to make payment. The menu do blah blah blah. So you have it right here. Now, this particular message right here, you can as well uh, make it in Chinese. And for that, go ahead and click on here, choose English language. You want to speak English, and it's going to translate to Chinese right here. So I'm going to go ahead again and click on host to speak. Released it, and then Alipay is going to load and process the voice, and then you can see loading. After loading and process the voice, it's going to give you the result in Chinese right here. Another great thing here is that you can easily click on here if the person you are talking to is with you and you don't understand English language. You can easily listen to the voice right here.
您好，我的朋友，很高兴再次与您见面。这次我想听听您的意见，请您直接告诉我这款产品的合理价格。我随时准备付款，一旦我完成付款并把货款汇至我的仓库地址，您就请在方便的时候发货吧。非常感谢。
Just like so. And then the very last features as far as this is concerned here is that we can go ahead and explore the camera options right here, which allow us to upload product picture, to upload a whatever image as the case may be. So I'm going to go ahead now and click on this camera icon right here. When I click on the camera icon, we can select from album, or better still, we can take a live photo. So I'm going to go ahead and take a live photo and then give permission. This particular right here, I'm going to camera identify and just snap, and then allow the Alipay to process it, and then go ahead and click on use photo. So it's going to upload the photo loading. So after successful loading, and then it's going to generate the result just like what we have right here. Now this is the original, this is the translation in Chinese, and this is the original image right here. It has successfully translated Chinese character right here. It's that simple. You can explore all these tools for easy translation, day-to-day business transaction, whether you're in China or you're outside China. This is a great inbuilt tool for every translation activity. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks about how best to use your Alipay app, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.